Ndakadaro ndaigogotsa Dagara mai vangu vazofunza Ndairinga ndangoboze pawainsiga Nyeredzi nyama dzadzi zvayansiga Zaimira kufunga njere kurasika Dagara mai vangu vazofunza Unombodei zvaunonda Unombonzwei paunomona Chingogashira kuti zvakakona Chimwe kuda rimwe zuva uchamona Zamuzana muzana wezuro nemba Ziri kungotenderera zango reusamba Ndizvo zvandakagara ndavausa Kuti ndiro ruvara ndasarusa Ingando chirwere.
Alright, okay. What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's good? What's good? What's good? RYANOBVIOUS the DJ once again on a Saturday, a turned up Saturday. Kujibana weyu That's okay, Jimmy. A different one. Nigga good. What you say? Come on, come on. Take it. What you say? Yes, yes, yes. Moyo wangu. What you say? RYANOBVIOUS from Plug and Play Music is in the building right now. Come on, Shaina. Ujiri. All my ladies, are you there? Sing with me. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Kanoti Tamba se uno China diwone Ita kago Danga ndazwera muchinga uri mu munzira y'ubuzima nchiringa banango kuona kunzwaro pamusinga bawango nyemwerera ndabudasiya ndanga nchiringa ndazwera muchinga ndanga nchiringa wakasenga shinga uchenda netongi kuchikayo nchiringa unombode apa ndatanga nechi favorite song changu What you say? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. This is my favorite song, guys. Trust me. From Jahprayzah. RYANOBVIOUS the DJ, all the way from Pretoria, Silverton. That's how I do it. Mix. What you say? Yes, sir. Shungu. Zemoyo. Zemoyo wangu. Daya mai wangu agarara. Zuhara nasi unuwari pano. Shungu. Zemoyo wangu. Shungu. Zemoyo wangu. Daya mai wangu agatorarama. Shua se vamwe vanandichi tofara. Zino rema. Like I said, it's all about the good music with RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. Baba Troy, what you say? Come on, yes sir. Yeah. A big shout out to all my DJs in Pretoria. Adola Wagwan, Vigo Worldwide, Astrama, Winera. What's happening? Come on. Zemoyo wangu. I send my shout out also to all my promoters in Pretoria. Atapela Chosen, Wagwan. A Born Free, what's happening over there, so? Rich and Famous, Body Boys, what's happening over there, so? Yes, sir. Amaishingi, Pakemton Pagapo, Madi, come on, come on, come on. Inzondo zondino itamanje nini? Ndichango tangaka. Ndo tanga ndijispaka. Muda kunzwa ere boys. Come on, come on.
Such a man, a booty, didn't what you say? Such a man, a booty, didn't such a man, a booty, didn't such a man. Come on, come on, come on. I don't listen to gospel music, but I have to mix this one, eh? I'm too dangerous. Watch out. Come on, 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 come on. Ndozo ando ita boys. Mira unzwe. 1, 2, 3. Aha. Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Oh yeah. Ndozo ando ita nini? And it's a party time. Like I said, guys, I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. Let me reintroduce myself. RYANOBVIOUS the DJ from Plug and Play Music. This is how I do it. It's called the Turned Up Saturday. Yeah. Oh yeah. All my Zimbabwean fans in Pretoria, Silverton. What's happening over there, so? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh yeah. What you say? Yes, sir. Come on. What you say? Demand we. What you say? Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, now why you Zimbabwe, what's happening? Mashingo, Madiapo, Blowayo, what's happening over there, so? Azika. A big shout out to Mkoma Tonde, Mukia Momo, a boss tip of Pretoria. Yeah, we are Mambo. I walk from Mamzira Zinoira. Sangori ne Shikara Shinura. Togo Toga Simunushura. What you say? Sandy Fungi Tisa Seguria. Oh, now why you come? Why you come?
What you say? Up and down my baby baba, my sexy ladies. What you say? Who from Benacho? Come on. How you are, Changunda? How you are? How you are, Changunda? What you say? Come on. Yes, sir. Come on. DJ change. RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. Come on. What you say? Come
nazo kandi no kushesa chete kufida madon wango kufida madon wase ari kuchaganda kunyorera song jiwe wanda nyorera song anasema de la fille badenga se drone kwita big movie ya unenge uchidesa fengi dijong ndakatumira suwa na richenzi na saini wane son songo yangu ku Uganda yangu skopa marini mitoni simplex chigataro chete ndinenge na pesa dijong what not the money mure.
What you say?
Muda ne kudoga there is a busy mo street no more. Uwango hakuna easy life. Kama masisi abaturare mumba.
Big shout out to the HKD family. Nikusanganisa.
Kukia kia mashe.
Kusanganisa.
Mukatika na panze.
What you say?
It's a kukava make.
A big shout out to my Eastland fans. Who Eastland Nico, Victoria East. Jones, Marasta, Kapindangu, Simba Wagwa, Elton, Tyson, Komadi, Tarabatima.
Young Apache, Panadona, make you play over this. Focus on now, Mugabutana,
the Kajao families. I see you. All the way from Kwekwe.
If I'm in of the rich, I'm on top of the one. So I need you more than a good dog. That is a busy most street.
Rungoro was no spark cachete. Zino naka chete. Put on your dancing shoes. Don't I'm too dangerous. RYANOBVIOUS the DJ. 2025. That's how I do it on a Saturday. It's called Saturday 10 down. Macheso. Vese mwana grona macheso. Inja impaka. Chinjaka. What you say? Yeah. Saka. I'm not gonna pull it, eh? Come on. What you say? Yes.
Mangono waripo magali sikushi nachora mapike pa Insta na post guwarashika kujosi ako kisa pa Zimbabwe ndituti na mflange siya wanekosi fara nguva inu ndogo akakoshi kuna zino na titch ndafuna bata yodode na watakokoma Dark links live akapa watakodogo ku London kina papa alege macheso HK na we bet
What you say? A big shout out to my plug and play crew. Matulisi. What's happening over there? So? The Nyati family. I talk this. Lucky. Madikum Dara. Quid. Madikum Dara Quid. For me, run up. What's happening? Manu. Madigo. Batawa. Island. Rodrigo Gala. What's happening? That's my manager over there, so.
Mangono waripo magali sikushi nachora mapike pa Insta na post guwarashika kujosi ako kisa pa Zimbabwe ndituti na mflange siya wanekosi fara nguva inu ndogo akakoshi kuna zino na titch ndafuna bata yodode na watakokoma Dark links live akapa watakodogo ku London nina papa alege macheso na silent killer pa josi.
One more time. All the problems. What's happening? Problems is it? Titch nini? No sparka. Woko mudenga. Come on. How you feeling? It's happening right here, guys. Pretoria Silverton. Ndapinda burua iwondi piga vanu. Sasa gina mopandira. Sing with me. What you say? Come on. Yeah. My problem is Inzo RYANOBVIOUS. Shando ite nini? Mix. Pararapa. Those are no nini. What you say? Come on. All my sexy ladies. Dance. Ana Eriza Muripo Erabo. Big shout out to all my sisters. What you say? She can Big shout out to all my sexy ladies from Zim. What you say? Come on. This is Jahprayzah. What you say? Come on. Yes, so ja. What you say? Are you feeling, guys? Please let us know your complaints. I keep on supporting, guys. I go by the name of RYANOBVIOUS, the DJ from Plug and Play Music in Pretoria, Silverton, Pretoria East in South Africa, guys. Big shout out to all my UK fans. Now my fans by UK up. My niece Aid Angle, my doctor's Angle. Big shout out to you guys. Love you so much. This is Kanganwe Team Rangrepa Jobek DJ Zangepa Jobek Ino B Ino ZW DJ Obvious from Kempton Park. Yes sir. Big shout out to you guys. I love you so much, guys. Yes soja.
I'm like, she needs to love somebody else. Come on, girl. Okay. She did not. You know that I'm big. Even before, yeah, she knows. Didi, anotambani moyo wangu. Didi, anotambani moyo wangu. Saka sirina nini pachura. Nisati naita mashura. Shirina nindite Mashura Nisati naita Mashura Shirina ndi bikendega Ndi angendega Ndi ainende
Mabachura angu madi
Namumano nida
My single mothers, what's happening over there, so?
Ndi rarendega
Are you good, my single mothers?
Big
shout out to you guys.
Of course.
All the independent single mothers. A big shout out to you guys.
Cause I'll start to
call my bachura ajo.
Namoyo woke
Madigo boys rango.
I'm gonna put down.
Through fire.
Get a gown from downtown to uptown. Even before, yeah, she knows. Kuti and Didi, anotambani moyo wangu.
The one DJ Arguremira my streets.
Moyo wangu. Saka zirina nindite.
Big shout out to you Tendai.
Bachu.
Nikki from Mamelody.
Atindaita.
Madiko.
Mashu.
My Shelton.
Nindite bachu.
Boy rapo.
Bachura. Nisatindaita mashura.
Your lovely photos got you photo. Thought you had me with your sweet cocoa. Let me tell you what's all these photos of you cheating on me. Yeah, you cheated on me. Stop your stutter when you got photo. Now I'm happy to lose your cocoa. Boy, I told you it would be.
Where is Amara Brown, guys?
Yeah, you cheated.
Please tell me.
With you.
Amara Brown argo me.
Yes, I'm loving you.
She's very good, eh? I like her music. I don't know where is she. She's a very good vocalist, eh? She got that voice. Handidi anotambane moyo. Where you at?
vano
taurane zvangu
vanoti nini nemsoro pangu. I know sometimes unorwadziwa nepango, unombostressika nepango. I see your pain,
that's why I need
no.
See what can I need.
No. Pressure ndinayo, nezungura ndinaro. Baby wangu I need to know. Say what God I need. Say what God I need. Say what God I need. Baby, nechibara ndichandinacho chiunombode. Baby, nechi accent chechitoko chandinombobwereketa. Baby, neskiri rangu irire chigudo ndinongomberereka. Baby,
what you say?
Nakita, unondisekesa.
Come on.
Softena, unondisimbisa baby. Undirita, bring me up.
What you say?
I'm around, unondipa. B2 unondida. My wang, you na my wang. That's why.
Those are Twitter parapaisos. I'm actually at Pretoria Silverton, guys. Big shout out to them Sekas family. Them Sekas family, big shout out to you guys. Mama Shosho.
No.
Papa Shosho.
Say what God I need.
Vanessa baby.
Back up, give your whole life. Me.
Boss Zonke baby.
Say you are God. Say you are God. Give your whole life to love.
Boss Zonke baby.
Baby.
Ko iwo mama macho.
Baby.
Ko magadini go na mama. Go magadigo.
Baby.
A big shout out to them Sekas family. Kalonga Wagwan. What's happening over there? So
Baby.
Hariseko Kiara.
Baby.
Those are my socializer.
Kundugu wano taura neshangu inini. Banoti nini nemsoro bangu inini. Taura neshangu inini. Nini nemsoro bangu inini. Azipepinde rangu inini. Azipepinde rangu inini.
Dianara samwana.
Wando itainini.
Dianara
Tatichi. Come on.
aripara samwana.
Aripo.
Aripara samwana. Aripasi ya mwana.
Multi-genre DJ.
Aripasi.
Ndini wacho. Skip on the fetu.
Arisara samwana. Arisari zimbewe. Arisara samwana.
That's the bonus track, eh? It's called the 10 Up Saturday. What you say? Unogoita stress yechi. You own a DJ, I know nakiza so. Just download RYANOBVIOUS mixtapes. I'm gonna pick it up a USB drive. Wait some more. Or stream my mixtape, guys, on YouTube. Don't forget to follow all my social media platforms. Facebook, Instagram, even pa Twitch. Ndiripo pesika na boys. Andidi kusaririra pa TikTok ndiripo futi. Everywhere. What you say? Mix. Those wando itainini. Come on. What you say? A bonus track, eh? All the way from Botswana. V. Come on. Like I said, guys,
This is a bonus strike.
Yo